Easy now. Bring it forward slowly.
Confirm the paperwork is all in order. You can proceed.
Keep coming straight, nice and slow. Everything is checked, all clear to proceed.
Each load is measured with precision before entering production. Each load is measured with precision before entering production. From transport to intake, the journey continues without delay. From transport to intake, the journey continues without delay. Bulk quantities are released into the system, beginning their transformation. Bulk quantities are released into the system, beginning their transformation. Bulk quantities are released into the system, beginning their transformation. Bulk quantities are released into the system, beginning their transformation. The flow is continuous, guiding raw produce toward purification. The flow is continuous, guiding raw produce toward purification. Before processing, every surface must be thoroughly cleansed. Before processing, every surface must be thoroughly cleansed. The transformation begins with water, removing the marks of the field. Before processing, every surface must be thoroughly cleansed. Before processing, every surface must be thoroughly cleansed. The transformation begins with water, removing the marks of the field. The transformation begins with water, removing the marks of the field. Now cleansed, the potatoes advance toward careful inspection. Now cleansed, the potatoes advance toward careful inspection. Only the finest are selected for the journey ahead. Only the finest are selected for the journey ahead. Only the finest are selected for the journey ahead. Only the finest are selected for the journey ahead. Precision grading ensures uniformity at every stage.
Precision blades shape each slice to perfection in milliseconds.
Precision blades shape each slice to perfection in milliseconds. Uniform slices advance, ready for controlled pretreatment.
Uniform slices advance, ready for controlled pretreatment.
Heat and water prepare the slices for optimal texture. Heat and water prepare the slices for optimal texture. Excess starch is removed, ensuring crisp consistency later. Excess starch is removed, ensuring crisp consistency later. Moisture is reduced before the next stage begins. Moisture is reduced before the next stage begins. Controlled airflow prepares each slice for frying. Controlled airflow prepares each slice for frying.
Excess oil drains away, refining the final texture.
Excess oil drains away, refining the final texture.
Gentle vibration removes the final traces of oil. Gentle vibration removes the final traces of oil. Cooling stabilizes the structure, locking in crispness. Cooling stabilizes the structure, locking in crispness. Now, flavor takes center stage in the final transformation. Now, flavor takes center stage in the final transformation.
Automated systems ensure every chip carries perfect flavor balance.
Automated systems ensure every chip carries perfect flavor balance. Each pack is filled with measured precision and care. Each pack is filled with measured precision and care.
Color and coating confirm the final sensory standard.
Color and coating confirm the final sensory standard.
Texture is measured to guarantee the perfect crunch.
Texture is measured to guarantee the perfect crunch. The structure takes shape, ready to receive its contents. The structure takes shape, ready to receive its contents.
Packaging begins as precision-printed film feeds into formation.
The structure takes shape, ready to receive its contents.
Final weight checks ensure every pack meets standards.
Final weight checks ensure every pack meets standards.
Individual packs unite into bulk shipments for distribution.
Individual packs unite into bulk shipments for distribution.
Bulk packaging is secured, ready for identification and traceability. Bulk packaging is secured, ready for identification and traceability. Each carton is marked for tracking across the supply chain. Each carton is marked for tracking across the supply chain.
Random samples are selected to ensure consistent quality.
Inside the lab, precision testing validates every batch. With approval complete, the final journey begins. With approval complete, the final journey begins. From production lines to logistics, the flow continues seamlessly. From production lines to logistics, the flow continues seamlessly. Automation organizes bulk shipments with speed and accuracy. Automation organizes bulk shipments with speed and accuracy.
Each load is stabilized for safe transport.
Each load is stabilized for safe transport.
Heavy loads move efficiently toward final dispatch.
Each load is stabilized for safe transport.
Heavy loads move efficiently toward final dispatch.
Keep coming straight back, slowly.
You're clear on this side.
Okay, hold it right there.
A complete cycle from raw harvest to global distribution. A complete cycle from raw harvest to global distribution. A complete cycle from raw harvest to global distribution.